Lawag City.
Para patunayang mahal mo, dapat ialay sa kanya ang pakabituin sa langit. Alay, maninilbihan ako.
Ibabahay kita, iha.
Yaks! Ang corny!
Magpakatotoo ka, brother. Simple pero sweet at romantic ang dating. Flowers for you. I love you. At para may KO confidence, dapat galing Silver Touch Flower Shop. Second floor ng Loag City Commercial Complex.
Bago ka umalis, will you marry me?
Di ka na mag-graduate, pakita pa kasalan.
Tawagan mo lang ang friendly manager na si
Myra Castro Antonio at 0949-844-5012 or 0908-120-4623.
Silver Touch Flower Shop, second floor, South Wing, Lawag City Commercial Complex.
Kung pananamit ang pag-uusapan, Jam Cells ang tunay na asahan. Marami kang pagpipilian, branded, dekalidad, at suwak na suwak pa sa taste of fashion mo. Mula blouses, t-shirts, shorts, dresses, pants, skirts, shoes, at marami pang iba. Kumpleto na, affordable pa. Pambata man, teenager o pangmatanda ay tiyak na meron sila. Iyan ang Jam Cells Ukay-Ukay. Ito ay matatagpuan sa FR Castro Avenue, Lawag City. Malapit lang sa IFM. Kaya't itodo na natin ang pagsha-shopping best friend. Tara na sa Jam Cells Ukay-Ukay.
IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. Ikaw ang pinangarap. Ikaw ang hanap-hanap. Ngunit bakit nagbago ang lahat? Ang init ng pagmamahal parang naging salat. Pangako habang buhay, pangakong di magwawalay. Ngunit ba't lumamig pagmamahal? Parang di na ikaw sa may kapal ang dinasal. Anong nangyari sa ating dalawa? Akala ko noon tayo ay iisa. Ako bang siyang nakulang o ikaw ang di lumaban sa pagsubok sa ating pagmamahalan? Anong nangyari sa ating dalawa? Pagmamahal ngayon, bakit naglaho na? Damdamin ay nasasaktan, puso'y nasusukatan. Pangako mong pagmamahal I've spent half my life looking for the reasons things must change, and half my life trying to make them stay the same. But love would fade like summer into fall. All that I could see was a mystery. It made no sense at all. The will of the wind, you feel it and then it will pass you, blowing steady. It comes and it goes, and God only knows. You must keep your sails on ready, so when it begins, get all that you can. You must befriend the will of the wind. I've spent so many hours thinking about the way things might have been, and so many hours trying to bring the good times back again. And so it goes for lonely-hearted fools. They let their days slip away until they give in to the will of the wind. You feel it and then it will pass you, blowing steady. It comes and it goes, and God only knows. You must keep your sails on ready, so when it begins, get all that you can. You must befriend the will of the wind. So when it begins, get all that you can. You must befriend the will of the wind. IFM ay aking best friend.
Ang galing ng #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste, nasa Smart Dishwashing Liquid din. Tanggalin sa presyong magaling din.
Ay, after and the eating, time na for dishwashing washing of the pinaglutuang masebong-masebo at pinagkainang maaaring mabakterya.
Ang misis na smart like you, Smart Dishwashing ang bagay na bagay sa iyo. May double tanggaling formula, tanggal galingan sip.
I see you beside me, it's only a dream, vision of what you see, the laughter, the sorrow, pictures in time, fading to memories. How could I ever let you go? Is it too late to let you know? I tried to run from your side, but each place I hide, it only reminds but I was a fool to believe my heart lied while you cried rivers of tears. But I was too blind to see everything we've been through before. Now it means so much more, yeah. I try to run from your side, but each place I hide, it only reminds me of you. When I turn out all the lights, even the night, it only reminds me of you. Only you. So come back to me. I'm down on my knees. Boy, can't you see? How could I ever let you go? Is it too late to let you know? I try to run from your side, but each place I hide, it only reminds me of you. When I turn out all the lights, even the night, it only reminds me of you. I try to run from your side, but each place I hide, it only reminds me of you. When I turn out all the lights, even the night, it only reminds me of you. You. It only reminds me of you.
I had a feeling that you're holding my heart, and I know that it is true. You wouldn't let it be broken apart, 'cause it's much too dear to you. Forever we'll be together. No one can break us apart. For our love will truly be a wonderful smile in your heart. When the night comes and I'm deep in your arms, how I feel so much more secure. You wouldn't let me close my eyes, so I can see you through and through. You're a sweet tender lover. We are so much in love. I'm not afraid when you're far away. Just give me a smile in your heart. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Maybe
pares po natin 248. At andito yung mga taga Mother's Way. Ayan, tama sir? Yes, mga taga Mother's Way. Ayan. Mother's Way, ayan, at magpapa-advertise. Ayan, at meron kayong babatiin, sir? Mike? Mike natin? Andyan ang mic. Salita ka, sir. Hey, sir. Salita ka na, sir. Ayan. Kaparehas nila yung andito ngayon, hindi nagsasalita pag pinagsasalita ako. Anyway, maraming salamat po, ayan, sa lahat po ng mga nag-text at tumawag po sa ating hotlines. Ayan. At sabi dito, ayan, may mga nagte-text po sa ating sabi dito ay
17568-1562.
Now, Hotel Tiffany of Lawag has better things to offer for the weary traveler. A brownout-free environment for your constant comfort. A cable TV in every room for your entertainment. All rooms are equipped with hot or cold shower to refresh you anytime. Air conditioning is a standard feature for every room. A secured and spacious parking space is available as a rear for your peace of mind. Hotel Tiffany of Lawag. Easy on your budget, great for your comfort. Located at the heart of Lawag City, just a scroll away from the business and shopping districts. For inquiries and reservations, call 770-3550. Hotel Tiffany of Lawag.
Mula Ilocos hanggang Dao, wala nang ibang mas mumura dito. Sa presyo namin ay matutuwa. San ka pa? Sa High Factor na. Cellphones, gadgets, printing, kasama sa repairing. Silang lahat ay meron sa amin. Abot kaya, murang-mura. Buong norte ay nagkakaisa sa mga produktong aming dala. Serbisyo namin nasubukan na. San pa ba? High Factor na. Sa presyo namin ay matutuwa. San ka pa? Sa High Factor na.
Basta cellphones, accessories, and gadgets, sa mura ka na, sa High Factor na. Visit our branches at Lawag Centro, Cathedral Street, 2nd floor Robinsons, and Bata.
IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. Searching so long in this world, trying to find someone who could be what my picture of love was to me.
katawan ay sumasakit, pupunta ka sa doktor.
Pag ang iyong aso o pusa naman ang may tama, sa veterinaryo ka pupunta.
Pag ang puso naman masakit, pupunta ka sa tropa.
Pero pag ang iyong sasakyan naman ang may sakit, saan ka pupunta? Doon na sa eksperto.
Automekaniko.
Experts sa change oil, tune-up, electrical repairs, aircon repairs at engine overhaul.
Quality products sa presyong abot kaya, katulad ng Castrol and HKS High Performance Oils, Goodyear, Gadgetunggal at Iolo Tires and batteries like Motolite. Kaya nila kahit mga high-end cars na di kaya ng iba at may mga imported computerized engine analyzer pa para hindi hula-hula ang diagnosis. Matatagpuan sa Barangay 1 San Nicolas beside Sherty, Ilocos. Automekaniko. Serbisyong kasa sa presyong masa.
Dahil sa Automekaniko, kaibigan ka. Shop now at the newest and the hottest department store in the heart of Lawag. Department Store, Rizal Street, Lawag City.
Gutom na ako!
Saan pa ba?
Macy's Diner!
Macy's Diner?
Oo, sa Macy's Diner. Breakfast, lunch, snack at dinner. From classic American steak and burgers to Ilocano all-time favorites. They also serve merienda like siopaw, siomai, lomi, arroz caldo at iba pa. Recommended din ang combo meals at singles na swak sa budget.
Pag may okasyon.
May catering services at free use of function room.
Okay yan. Tawag na ako sa 770-3551 para magpa-reserve.
770-3551? Tara! Punta na lang tayo ngayon sa Hotel Tiffany Building, Bacara Road, General Segundo Avenue, Lawag City. Nagugutom na kasi ako.
Okay, basta treat mo.
Sige ba? Mura na, masarap pa sa Macy's Diner dahil laging bagong luto.
It's time to eat at Macy's Diner.
Hi, Ginabi po ito. Pagdating sa pagbili ng mga partes ng motor at bisikleta, sa SMR Motor Parts lang ako nagtitiwala. Bukod sa mura na, maganda pa ang kalidad at serbisyo ng SMR Motor Parts. Pwede ka rin bumili ng bike kahit anong size with free service at merong big discount kapag madami ang bibilhin mo. At heto pa, may MS Eatery din ang SMR Motor Parts na tiyak na magugustuhan mo ang special empanada nila for only 25 pesos. At kapag bumili ka ng 10, libre ang isang empanada. Meron ding pansit specialty, budget meal for only 35 pesos at pansit 10.5. SMR Motor Parts is located at Barangay 11, San Fernando, San Nicolas. Contact 781-3078. Opens from 7:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Also, visit SMR Motor Parts main branch, Sinaid, Ilocos Sur, beside Public Market, and RK Motor Parts, Ablan, Batac City. SMR Motor Parts.
Isuzu BM Domingo Motor Sales Incorporated is inviting the public to its 2017 fifth quarter caravan for Isuzu vehicles. Isuzu genuine parts and preventive maintenance services on October 16 to 21, 2017 at Casiano Petron Gas Station along National Highway, Barangay 16, San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte. Available units for sale. The all-new 2017 Isuzu 3.0-liter and 2.5-liter Mu X SUV. 2017 Isuzu D-Max LS, LTX and LT. 2017 Isuzu Crosswind and 2017 Isuzu Light Trucks and Heavy Trucks. Isuzu Parts and Service Caravan is brought to you by BM Domingo Motor Sales Incorporated.
Paano na to? Gustong-gusto ko mag-aral pero ayaw ko namang i-give up ang work ko. Palagi na lang ba ako maiipit sa sitwasyon na kailangan kong mamili? Anong pipiliin ko?
Tama ng drama. Dahil sa Visa Trust International Incorporated, hindi mo na kailangan mamili between work and schooling. Dahil dito sa Visa Trust International Incorporated, ang work at study mo ang aming #1 priority.
Totoo ba yan?
Tama, dahil ang Visa Trust International Incorporated, mapa-professional or undergraduate ka man, basta 18 to 52 years old ka, ay siguradong pasok ka sa kanilang Study Work to Migrate program in New Zealand.
Interesado ako. Paano ba ito?
Punta ka lang sa 3rd floor, LC Square, JP Rizal Street, Barangay 9, Loag City, near Dapayan, and look for Miss Anne. At para sa mga iba pang detalye, pwede kang mag-text or tumawag sa kanilang contact numbers 0906-338-6352 at 0998-188-0124. Visa Trust International Incorporated. Find options towards your dream. Ito ang 99.5 IFM, ang music station ng RMN sa Lawag City. 99.5 IFM, ang best friend mo. Ang best friend mo.
IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. IFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. Kapag nalulungkot, pinapatawa mo. Pag may problema ko, the best na magbigay ng payo. Enjoy palagi sa jokes mo at sa drama. Ang radio station ko na best friend sa lungkot at saya. Anong mang oras, araw-araw, busy man o relax, pinapakinggan ko ay ikaw. IFM, IFM, ikaw ay aking best friend. Best friend kong kakulitan, karamay katsikahan, tapos sa kwentuhan at tutugan. IFM, ikaw ay aking best friend. Sa'yo laging nakikinig, number one ka sa akin. IFM ay aking best friend. IFM ay aking best friend.
99.5 IFM, ang best friend mo.
Every single day, I think of the times when you were still mine, and I'm blue. Got to get away, get you out of my mind. I'm caught up in time, and I'm blue. I don't miss all the fun that we had. You were always around me. Where are you now? I need to know if you were around. It would be alright. Living on my own, I know I'm too late. I'm locked in my chains, and you're free, falling like a stone. I'm down on the ground, I'm tied up and bound, and you're free. I don't miss all the fun that we had. You were always
99.5 IFM.
I've been spending some time thinking I'd be alright. Don't know if I could really make it tonight. Lie awake in the dark, come down, then I start thinking about you is almost breaking my heart. I don't know where I went wrong or what's going on. Baby, I feel like our love's lost tonight. Should I stay? Should I go? Well, I really don't know. Lately, I've been missing you so. Baby, you don't understand. Our love lies lost, but you're holding my hand. Oh, and then you walk away. Just tonight, I want you to stay. You're turning me on. You turn me around. You turn my whole world upside down.
Tanggaling formula, tanggal
World Tire Center. Now, Back City. Trans World Tire Center.